Hi guys, welcome back to the series of Copenhagen. We are exploring the beautiful city Copenhagen, its architecture and landmarks. Here we are going to start with the amazing boat ride, and you just sit back and enjoy the commentary and the beautiful boat ride in Copenhagen. So let's start. If you are anytime planning to visit Copenhagen, I would highly recommend to take this boat ride because it will cover all the landmarks that you're supposed to see from the sea area, and later you can walk through those spots and enjoy them from within. But this boat ride will give you an overview what you have to look in the city. Also, by watching this video and the next whole boat ride city, you will anyway get a really good idea. So I hope you enjoy it and it is highly informative for you.
Journey, and you have arrived in the city of Copenhagen, and you'll notice throughout this tour that there are three main themes in this harbor, and that is military, industry. Tour today is actually the officially oldest part of Copenhagen. That is Skammes, and Absalon and Saxo, they were best buddies, so maybe that's why we say that he was the founder, because new archaeological discoveries have actually found out that there's been a city here since the Viking Ages, and even people here since the Stone Ages. So it's all about knowing the right people, am I right? First bridge is coming up, so in the back, please sit down now and mind your pets. Sit down, thank you. On your right-hand side, you now see the Christians where they're living today. You'll see that later on the tour. And instead, this is now the Parliament building. So it's in here that you'll find the Danish Parliament today. The tower here is also the tallest, the oldest part of Copenhagen. So we have a lot of the trademarks of the city here, especially also the building coming. Today, this building is owned by Danish industries, and you have offices inside and also some rooms that you can rent for wedding or other large occasions. And also counts as being one of his masterpieces. And then one of the newest installations in this part of the harbor you see on your right hand side, because over here you have a small kayak and sail around Copenhagen. Interesting concept. It's actually, the thing is, Denmark is one of the only countries in the entire world where you are allowed to drink and sail at the same time. It is very clean, and we don't have all these large industrial ships here anymore, so there are a lot of fun also activities in the harbor today. Back to the old buildings in front of us now, coming over. A lot of the dark green doors and symmetrical windows. Very nice. However, I want you to remember the sound building when we sail past and try not to find it on the other side. From the area architect, and he said, you know what? I just want to look at something pretty from my castle. I don't really care about the other side. Now try and look behind the building, and you can see that he clearly meant what he said. You know what the peasants have totally easy. The roof is made out of wood, and that's why it has two lanes. So the rest of the building has been painted the same color as to the bench. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready on your left-hand side, because side here you'll see probably the biggest tourist attractions. Well, next to the Little Mermaid, this is the second biggest.